Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Cash App on DHgate. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to DHgate.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to the website. So now let's see how you can actually go and use and what we actually have on the website. We have the search bar, all of the categories. We have in the top right corner, we have the name of your name and everything about you, your recently viewed, favorites, and the shopping cart. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Cash App on the DHgate. Well, it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it. First of all, you need to go to the search bar, which is here as you can see, and type a thing that you would like to go and buy. So basically you can click here, and for instance, for the sake of this video, I'll be clicking on bag. So I'll like to buy a bag, click on there, and you need to choose your bag firstly. So for instance, let's go and click on this bag, and here you just need to go first of all, choose your size. So this is important, and the color of the bag. Now when you did that, all you need to do is click on the buy it now button here. When you did that guys, all you need to do after that guys is go and change from a credit card or PayPal or whatever to use Cash App on so you can go and use it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. As I said, I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.